Hi, my name is Nirvaan and welcome back to our channel called Read, Rally and Roam. And today, we're going to finish off this puzzle. This puzzle is called Animals of Australia. And so far, 5 days ago when I just started, it was everything. Pieces were everywhere like this. But I still came to this. Now, what I'm going to show is the ending, what I'm going to do when I finish. And I'm also going to use this as a guide. I am going to put the pieces back into the puzzle, so it'll take a long time, so enjoy. So, there we have it. A fabulous Australia puzzle. Well, can you please subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment